Hey everyone, I'm Srinivasan, .NET developer. We are looking into SQLite tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and drop columns uh, if the table is already created. Um, if the table is already created, I just want to add one column, more than one columns. Um, so, um, uh, so we will see the how we are going to add the columns and drop the columns from the table, any other table. Yeah, for that we are going to write a query. Select, sorry. It's a DDL query. Alter table. So yeah, let's take a child table. Let's take a child table. So I'm going to add another column called date of birth. So date of birth of the children. Um, for that, I'm writing query here. Alter table child. Add column DOB means date of birth. Uh, Timestamp. Yeah, that's it. So timestamp, or you can do like date. Yeah. If I press enter, you can see our additional column is created. You can see date of birth column is created. So uh, now we can update the date of birth column with some values. Okay, and so now I'm going to drop that column. Yeah, to drop the column from the table. So to delete the column from the table, so we can use this query. Now if I press enter, so you can see uh, yeah, it shows no such column DOB, which means I already deleted that column from the table, child table. So you can see there is no DOB table. So this is how we can add and drop the column even if the table is created uh, already. Yeah, I hope you can understand this concept, and in the next video I'll come up with a different topic of SQLite database. Thank you friends.